For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Queen of Versatility, Priyanka Chopra Jonas turns 38 today. Piggy Chops is someone who certainly needs no introduction. The former Miss World and B-Town's most gorgeous diva is now considered a global icon and has proved her mettle in acting not only in Bollywood but also in Hollywood. The actress is known not only for proving her acting competence in movies but also because of her impeccable fashion sense. One simply cannot miss her stylish looks and grand appearances at mega events like Cannes and Met Gala. Today, the former Miss World has turned a year older and fans of the actress left no stone unturned to make her feel special. They took to social media and poured in love for PC on her 38th.
Happy birthday to you, Priyanka Chopra. I wish you many more achievements, success, happiness, wisdom, and so many more good things. All in good health. My superwoman, I love you loads. I'm happy I'm able to celebrate with you this year, and we will continue to do so in years to come.
Priyanka marked her debut with the hero love story of a spy in Bollywood and went on to become one of the highest paid actresses of the industry. Not just Hindi cinema, the actress also overwhelmed the West with her performances in the show Quantico and other Hollywood projects. She is a fashion icon as well as an inspiration to a lot of women out there. The actress was also working as the UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador for Child Rights. On the work front, she was last seen in Shonali Bose's The Sky is Pink, co-starring Farhan Akhtar and Zaira Wasim, which was released in October last year. According to the latest reports, she will feature in Keanu Reeves' starrer Matrix 4. Priyanka recently signed a 2-year multi-million-dollar deal with Amazon to produce a variety of content in different languages. Priyanka already has 3 projects in development for an OTT platform. Sangeet, a reality series based on the pre-wedding ceremony Citadel, a thriller produced by the Russo brothers and co-starring Richard Madden and Sheila, a biopic of the controversial aide to Osho, Ma Anand Sheila.
My quest really is to be able to tell female stories, work with creators from around the world, and create a cross-pollination of storytelling. My Amazon television deal is a global deal, so I can do Hindi language, I can do English language, I can do whatever language I want.
For another OTT platform, the actor will soon appear in an adaptation of Arvind Adiga's The White Tiger, directed by Ramin Bharani and co-starring Rajkumar Rao. Priyanka took to her social media handle to reveal about her upcoming film and wrote,
Happy, tired, but so excited to have wrapped The White Tiger. It was such a pleasure to work with the best in the business in every department. The most hardworking crew and such a delightful cast. Thank you for all your brilliance. I can't wait to see the finished product and share it with the world. Thank you Gaurav Adarsh for being an incredible lead number 1. I can't wait for the world to see you as Balram.
Priyanka will also appear in director Robert Rodriguez's kids' superhero film We Can Be Heroes. Meanwhile, the actress is currently living with her husband, pop star Nick Jonas, in the US. Priyanka has been constantly updating her fans as to how she is spending the lockdown days through social media posts.